Rise and shine. We're on the road. We are on our way. We are 1 hour and 25 minutes away from Madison, from Wisconsin. We are en route to our campaign shoot with Monae Everett, with Tease Magazine, and your girl is Tayeta. But we are here. We're making it through. Shout out to all of the fam for the assistance with this journey. Yeah, I had to whip this out real quick because your girl was falling asleep on the road. I wasn't falling asleep, but I was definitely my eyes was getting heavy, so I needed to start talking to myself. But yeah, the newness is here, and to be in it, I'm riding. I'm riding this wave. I'm riding it, and I'm trusting it, and I'm going with it, and I'm going for it. Whatever that looked like, whatever the day, the week, the month, what it looked like, however the Most High want to guide me and take it wherever it needs to go. I'm trusting. Shout out to Ryan Road, but I'm trusting, and it feels good to be here. We've worked years to be here, so just excited to just do, to execute, to share my gifts, voice. Shout out to Drexel Avenue, to be able to have fun, to be able to have fun and to be gifted financial increase too. So I'm excited. I got my cozy clothes on. I got one foot up. We riding. We on time. Call time is 10 o'clock. And my arrival time is going to be at 9:36. Definitely could have gave myself more time like my mom suggested. However, a divine time, make it on time. I'm trying to figure out if I'm going to change in the car or not, or just change in the restroom when I get there. But I want to make sure that I'm 333. I want to make sure that I'm actually walking in ready. But yes, until we touch down, I'll tap back in. But yeah, let's get this new era, started and flow with it. Yeah, see you there. Boop. Can we bring back this gas to Chicago, please? Yeah, definitely gonna fill up when I get back. But we on good gas right now. Good gas. So we are arrived, whatever. This parking over here is all private until they give you the public parking area. And yeah, it's $1 an hour. So I have to make sure I set my alarm because I don't know how long I'm gonna be here. But we are here, we're in Madison. Let's go, this is the space. We're walking.
artist decided to take the inspiration of the mood board picture and put her own twist to it, and that is not what Monae wanted. And let me tell you, when I say I'm already feeling it in my body, and literally while I'm getting my makeup done, my body is exhausted. I'm tired, and I can feel these aches and these pains from the drive there. Let's just take a look and see what my last few days were. And this is just things that was captured. But my body is truly exhausted, and it's literally shutting down. And I have the biggest attitude, and my body's in pain. I need to eat something. We did have food on set, but at the same time, I wasn't able to eat right then and there. So it's like I am feeling it, and it's all over my face. And now I have to go back into the makeup chair and get this makeup removed and do another look. My skin is literally falling off. Like, it feels like my skin is being peeled off.
You are way overthinking it a lot. Yeah, Like, put in the group chat. All the secret sauce, we can get in the group chat.
Yes, please. In case, I might have accidentally told one and not told all. Didn't intend for that.
It's okay, you were working all of us on different things. So.
Exactly. Baby, we whipped that thing. We whipped that thing.
Monae did that.
Thank you.
I told you I had one.
You're better outside. She needs to head down so that she's in position, please. Oh, yes.
Like, that's the crazy part. Okay, so in the beginning shots, you'll just kind of pose up the camera, and then I'll be the one to move around and like a close up. So multiple poses. Kind of just like the face. Okay. And then I'll start moving around.
And I mainly structured it for the front, not for the shoulder.
Okay. Sides are okay?
Perfect, yes.
Wow. Okay, then I'll start kind of moving to the sides. This makeup. Do you think I should have often? Oh, look at this. So good. Yeah, and then up close. Oh, come on. Like, wow. Yeah. You look great. Yeah. You look so good. That was the shot. That was it. Yeah, that was the shot. Thank you. So. Right. That was always great.
I don't look weird, like looking up. So I'm like,
Oh, you just want to take a picture of us? Not taking it. Oh, okay.
you said you came all the way from Houston.
Houston, Texas, baby.
That is on my list to get
Come
to.
on, y'all need to come on. Stop acting like it. People can't come to Houston.
Everybody moving to Houston.
We don't. No. We don't want you to move.
I know.
We like the people in Atlanta. We don't want you to move.
But everybody moving to Houston and Dallas.
Take the bus to Dallas. Don't come to Houston.
They always bring their bus right back to Chicago. So.
Yeah,
part.
let me say
Everybody always move and come right back.
Let me say the difference between.
Oh, you took the toes?
It's a video, but
Oh, girl.
I literally was like, oh, let me get.
I take it.
We could make them do it.
If you guys are
I haven't
ready right
seen
now.
You haven't seen
What
it?
is the TikTok? How you do it?
What could be the one? It's like two people back to back, and then you're like, someone's filling around in a circle, and you're like,
really
it's
good.
like a rap.
I have not stopped singing this song.
And they can't sing nothing. So good. Oh,
You ain't here.
We need to live out. There's so much hype around this song.
You know we shooting together.
If we don't do it today, I'm making Josh.
Oh yeah, let me send you the
To the nighttime vibe, I'm gonna embrace this kind of like vibe, this practical lady here. So I think you guys on the couch is great. Both sitting. It's gonna be just a second before I have it dialed in 100%.
You're struggling just as much as us with the timeline. Because as creators, we're like, I want to do this.
Give me a second, everybody's in now.
That is the TikTok I came to do. We just have not had time for anything else.
Okay, so this is, I love this. I just have to make it look good with the lighting.
I know, we're hitting the
So-
5:30 dark then.
At times.
So you ladies have less time, as you noticed. So I need y'all to dig real deep. And I got faith in you. I might do this.
So, did I shoot this one?
And Eden, remember, I think you are remembering that I want yours at least somewhat of a profile.
Yeah.
And I want yours close
That's
to
why.
them.
Yeah, this is, yeah, that's
Yes.
perfect.
Okay.
Do you want me to look at the cameras sometimes, or do you want me to just keep
I
it
love the
alive?
idea of both, yeah, for
Okay.
sure.
Okay.
So right now we're just, we're getting this like really soft, like nighttime feel.
Can you light the hair?
Yeah, so, let's go. Okay, Aubrey.
Dania.
Aubrey?
It's Dania. The shoulder that's closer to me, I like what you just did. That one a little bit.
yeah.
Look at those cheeks.
The cheeks.
Ladies, really look at your models. Look at every. Everybody's model was shot on seamless. Lily, did you shoot her on seamless? I didn't think so.
Literally, that's it. It's a wrap. Sapphire got all the sewing sandwiches.
Always taking home the extra.
It's a wrap. Dad, that man want that thing back. I don't feel like bringing it back. The parking. I'm thrifting now. We are in the thrift store, and I found some great stuff for the crib. I need to go home though. I need to get up out of here. But yeah.